What's going on YouTube? Brett Seeley here. Today we are in Phoenix, Arizona, showing you the behind the scenes of a photo shoot with Robbie and Phyllis. Let's go. Alright guys, so the challenge today is we're going to call the shot before we take the shot. Robbie here has the idea in his head, so now we're going to test to see if his vision, before he presses the button, we're going to compare how it looks in his head to what it looks like on the back of his camera. Make sense?
So I got some sun poking through here, so I'm going to have the sun a little bit of rim, and I might actually add another rim light onto the other side. That'll go ahead and separate the model from the background here, and then I'll have a key light, which I'm going to put high and facing downwards, probably a little bit of an angle here. So as you can see here, we've got some great arches. We've got some leading lines going that way.
So if you think he's going to nail it, give me a big thumbs up. If you think he's going to fail, leave a thumbs down on his page.
My name's Phyllis. I'm from Arizona. I do Olympic weightlifting, and on the side, I like to do modeling.
3 lights, 2 camera bodies, 2 lenses, all that, and 1 suitcase. There's an arch right there, you can see it. Yeah. And we're gonna kind of use that arch as kind of a frame. When you take a selfie, do you do this, or do you do this? That right there? All right. I like how Robbie matched it. We'll make this the B light, so it's B now. Letting that sunlight right there, try to catch it, okay? When it does, never again accept defeat. And we don't hide, just find the light in honesty. Cause I've never been good at telling stories. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do is get my ambient first. So lights are off here.
The lighting a lot.
I'm gonna try to actually get more of the arch in here, so let me get further back. So hold your spot right there. And then I'm gonna get way back here. 1, 2, 3. There, 1 more. Good.
Wow, that arch does look amazing.
Oh, did I get your eyes closed? Oh man. Oh, okay, there you go. There you go.
I
okay.
like that one.
There, okay.
Wow, that's amazing.
Amazing.
Yeah, I love it.
And there's your abs are popping there too.
I love that.
And you got some separation there with the lighting in the background. Okay.
It's the thing about photographers. You guys just see like something so simple like this and then turn it into something like that. Yeah. I love it.
If you think that he got the vision from his head down to his camera, leave a thumbs up. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments below. If you have not already done so, please consider subscribing so you get updates every time we post new content, which is about once or twice every single week. Until next video, keep shooting.